Good morning all. My name's Matt, welcome to my channel. We're on the third stage of this Predator build, trying to tackle the armour. I'm not going with metallics on this. I want it to be look like he's been in deep space for quite some time. So we're going with greys, that kind of thing. So we've used dark grey, Vallejo dark grey. I have it somewhere. Probably holding the phone up at the moment. And we have some neutral grey, which is old enough at the moment. It's watered down. It's very watered down. And if we get most of the excess water out of the dry brush, what I want is an effect, like and build up on it. So this is neutral grey on top of dark grey. So what we got here, like that. I've already done the one side, which looks like that. If you can see, or maybe not. It's got a bit of effect to it. There you go, you can see it there. So we've got this watery grey on our brush, and we're trying to squeeze out as much as we can. Okay, and all we're doing is just tapping onto the piece. Like that. Try not to go over the same area too much, like I've just done, but tap and then follow it down. Tap and follow it down. The liquid in the bottom will need stirring now and again. And just to bring the paint back up because it settles to the bottom. I'm sorry, but you can't see what I'm doing. I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna have to try and work something else out. But at the moment, this is what we got to work with. So there you go. There's one side. There's the other side. So make it a bit brighter. Yeah, like that. So this is stage 2. And try and work out where to go next. How we can advance this technique. Get it a bit itchy. Okay, right, I'm going to come back. Okay, I finally got the second stage of the armour done, which is this grey, neutral grey over dark grey, speckled on with a dry brush. I want to lighten it up a bit, so a bit of ghost grey into the mix, not very much. Is in there like that. Okay, that's that. So I've done a little bit on here as a test, and it's lightened up the edges, and that's the only places I'm going to use it. Maybe a bit of reflection. There you go, like that. So I'm going to do that all over this thing, and I'll show you results in a bit. I've got the armour up to highlight, not too drastic a highlight, basic highlight, which is shown on this gun. When it was in the sun, it is very vibrant. I've gone to my desk and I've run out of Nuln oil, which would have dulled it down quite considerably. So I had to improvise. What I've improvised it with is some Revel Aquacolor Tar Black. It's very dark grey with a bit of brown in it, and it's yeah, it's the closest thing I can get to non-oil, and it dries matte, as you can see on there, like that, which is exactly what I wanted. And on there, bit of texture shown on there, exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to finish off putting the wash over the gun, and I'll do the rest of his armour, and this is the results of the tar black as a wash, which has made it absolutely perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Space grey all over, textured. Looks like it's been used, and I've got two jobs to do, which is I've got to put in some detail, some panel lining. There you go, panel lining, stuff like that. So I haven't got panel liner. I've got some black paint by Vallejo, and I'll use that. I'll water it down and dribble that in, and hopefully it'll make quite a difference. This is my AK weathering pencils modelling, as it says on the roll. Inside is all the colours you need for highlighting, weathering, and scratches, and make things dirty and stuff. So for the Predator I used silver. I was going to use gold and didn't bother. I don't think it needed it. Silver, I needed it to highlight. Get a good highlight on it. The gunmetal didn't work very well. So it was just a case of running it down there like that. So that's where we are with that. And we've got the Predator finished now, which looks as I said, I'm really sorry I haven't got the facilities downstairs to film. But I will be back at this soon, I promise. This is the model from Zez. ZDZ. ZDZ. Yeah. Anyway, it should be holding a spear in its left hand, but it would meant the spear would be like a foot long. And I didn't want to risk it. So I copied that hand and mirrored it, and yeah, fits perfectly there. A bit of greeny grey for the cloth, and that bit of crappy non-metallic metal. Going on, I still can't master it, it's beyond me. There it is. Okay guys, thanks a lot. I'll be back with you soon. I'll do some miniatures next, and see you on the next one.